Alrighty, so let's talk Tesla. Um, Another red day for Tesla, obviously. And before I even get into the video, if you guys know, I do these live, on the fly, one take videos, no cuts, no edits, nothing like that. And all opinions and all, whatever I say in this video is my own. It's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Just wanted to let you guys know. But just an average guy who wants you and me to win at life. So let's just go ahead and get into the chart and see what we can see. Clearly, you guys can see Tesla obliterated my support number one, even though support number one was more, uh, for the memes, as the kids might call it these days. As you guys can see, it had a support number one set at $420. But my support number two and support number three are going to be the next two supports that I'm actually going to be looking at very, very closely. Um, and let's just see pretty much what happened. So we started off the day at 328, right? So what do we have? 328. We have gone down, and aftermarket we are down even more. So we're down almost like 12% today, which is actually not good at all. I mean, that's am I reading this right? Am I getting this right? Um, yeah, we are down like around 20%. We're like down 20% in the past 5 days. So yeah, it does look like we are down almost $70 in the past 5 days. So it's not just Tesla; it is the overall market. The whole market is kind of crashing, and I don't want to use that term super strongly, but we are getting a mini correction. We are getting a mini crash. I don't think anybody would disagree with me over there. Over the 1 month, we're down 26%. 6 months we're still up. 1 month we're down 106. 5 days we're down $70. And in the last day we were down $12. So and then after hours we're down another $3 or $4. That's another 1.3%. So we are down about 4, 5, more than 5% just today. And in the last 5 days, we are down, I guess you can say 20% plus, because we're down 19.5, and then we're down another 1.25. So we're down more than 20% in the past 5 days. So again, it's not just Tesla, but crypto markets are also crashing. BTC is also kind of not dipping, sorry, dumping. If you haven't watched my Bitcoin price analysis, chart analysis video, I just uploaded it right before this one, so make sure to check it out if that interests you. But let's just go ahead and do the typical analysis, chart analysis, see what we can find. Support number one broken, clearly, so that's going to be out of the picture. What else can we see? I do have support number two right here at 273 and 50 cents, and the reason why I have it as such a specific number is because of this wick right here. We hit around 273.54 and we couldn't break through, so for the next few days we just consolidated, and then it boom, went through. But then the next day we came back down and we still shot up. So this to me is a pretty good support level, recent support level. So if we do break through this, the next support level that I am looking at is 212. Now, again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I seriously doubt we get to support number three. I mean, you would have to crash another. Let's see, if you're right here, you would have to crash. Wait, no, what are we at? We are at 286. Sorry, 286. Yeah, we're at 286. After hours, we're at 286. 287, actually. After hours, we're 287. To get to support number three, you would have to crash another 26%. And, I mean, unless we are in a bear market and none of us know it, I do not see Tesla crashing down another, another 26%. I could be wrong. I could absolutely be wrong. But we could just kind of come down here, maybe wick a little below it, and then just boom, go right up. But who knows? So that's pretty much that right there. Let's see. What else do we got? Let's see. So I do have this trend line right here. That seems to be one of the strongest trend lines that Tesla has at the moment. Yeah. So we had a bounce off of here, had a bounce off of here, had a bounce off of here. So I do believe this is a pretty strong. Okay, let me actually edit this live right here, real quick. I'd like to just bring this up a little more towards, like right there. To me, that's a little better. I don't know how much of a difference that made, but you know, I just had to do that. Okay, yeah. So what is this trend line's price right now? This is 165. Honestly, if it gets to 165, I am probably going to sell everything and anything that I have ever owned in my life and then just put my whole life savings into it. At 165, this would be the deal of a century, but I doubt we even go below support number 2. I think, actually no, I take that back. Support number 2, sorry, yeah, we do go below support number 2, I believe. I don't believe we even get to support number 3. Anywhere between support 2 and 3 is possible. Like I said, we could bounce off of this and go, or we could just wick down a little, maybe right here. Maybe 230, 239, 240. 240 is my prediction right here, 240. This zone right here, I feel like it's pretty good, solid support. Maybe we go down to 240, and then we just go ahead and slowly go back up. But I honestly don't have much else to say about Tesla. That's pretty much it for Tesla. If there's anything else I can see, nope. We are just going to have to wait for market open tomorrow and see how the market reacts to Tesla tomorrow. But we have been on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 straight red days in a row. And like I said earlier, this is what? 19%. 19% down in 4 days. Crazy stuff happening. But yeah, I'll update you guys on the price point. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Let me just go ahead and do a local high to local low. Ooh, this is nice. A 618 fib level right here at 299. We wicked to it a little below it, and now we're going to be fighting this level right here. So that's actually, I didn't even think of that. And what about this one right here? No, I don't really see. Yeah, I don't really. No, I think. Okay, so. Okay, now this is interesting. 299. Okay, so if we can hold 300 pretty much, then we are. I mean, it's kind of looking like a reversal if we can hold 300. If not, I feel like support number 2 is very possible. If we don't hold 300, obviously we haven't held 300, but I'm talking about tomorrow. So let's wait for tomorrow, see if we reverse or not. See what happens. We're about $15 away from 300, so let's just see. Do we reverse? Do we go back up to 300, or no? Do we keep going down? If we keep going down, keep support number 2 on your radar. If price is struggling over here and doesn't go down to support number 2, we might just be in for a reversal. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys on Tesla. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Daily updates. Peace.